Hello, it's Love Trains 21, Day 1, Part 3. I am in the room where the other layout is, with a bunch of garden tractors. Tractor way down there, gas pump, and a bunch of wagons right here. Here are all his toy trucks. Look out. He loves Dr. Pepper. And here is his layout that he's working on right now. He has several accessories, and this private mittens. Well, in there is trains, accessories, stuff that will blow your mind. It's basically his fortress of solitude behind this door. And what's also behind this door is the Santa Fe 3000. Several big boys, several diesels, several units, tons of passenger cars, tons of accessories, tons of track. Basically, it's train galore in here. And he has this that he posted off Train's website, 2023. It's the nearest one. 4017. Not sure where it is. And you got yourself a carnival, a circus. He's got two American Flyer big boys, both 4014. 50 era TV.
And a guy.
He's got cars, more tractors, more cutouts, more signs, and even a steam tractor down there. He's got Ridley Brothers, a RBBMB, which stands for Ridley Brothers and Byron Bailey circus train. It's a double header with a switcher and a steam train. Using fast track, the rest would just track. Normal track. Over there is a Amtrak unit, several accessories, a town. Behind that is this giant switchboard with everything in it. I'll take you there, but I'll go behind there later. Here's a switch yard. Which is humongo. He's got cars up there. He's got cars on track. He's got trains on tracks. He's got a roundhouse with old trains. That one's from 2000. That one is the new Visualizing Challenger. Pennsylvania GG1, a yellow water tower, and of course my favorite railroad, the Union Pacific. He gave some of his trains away because he needed to make room for some. You see that down there? That's G-scale track. There's a shade in there. A HL Big Boy, number 4005. Down here is a Canadian Pacific, and 3 Union Pacific box cars. So there will be soon there shall be more. Soon there shall be passenger cars, but we can't run them because he's working on a waterfall down there. And over here's got the Canadian Pacific GE Evolution hybrids carrying Santa Fe cars. I'm not sure why, but the 3000 used to run on this track right here. Up here he's got a Union Pacific train, the original. He's got original accessories up here. And there's the end of the train, goes around there, comes back here. He's got a BNSF switcher up there, carrying reefer cars, a Santa Fe Cruise. He's got a Burlington switcher and another switcher up there. There's the Union Pacific train. And you're probably wondering what is on track 1. But before I show you, I want to show you something. This line that the Shay runs on, well, if you look way back there, you see two cars, a caboose and a boxcar. I donated those. And he's got a bridge right here. It says replica of the Delta covered bridge. It's in Iowa. The original bridge, the original Delta covered bridge, it got burnt down by teenagers, and those teenagers are locked up right now. It's got a town right there, HO scale towns. Now let me just show you what is carrying a New York City caboose and 3 boxcars. Now, when the track finally gets completed and the cars come from the Canadian Pacific, the boxcars on its track will be on track 1. Let me just show you what amazing engine is on track 1. But let me just.
The horse's head. I can't wait until they make
G-scale big boy.
I can't wait until they make
What size was the one you had, Larry? Was that a bigger one?
It is a beautiful engine. Very nice, very detailed. Alright, there's a whistle down there. There's a hobo shack. And there are some cars that actually move. There is a freight train waiting. The train's on the other side of the rock. This third track is supposed to run a big boy, but he has it locked up right now. Over there is gonna be an SF freight train. You can see it in there. Like Flip won't cooperate. He's working on the waterfall. It's gonna come straight down here where fish will be. See the shells? See, it's a work in progress. And he's got right there. He's got a diner, gas station, an airport. Right here, big airport, which also has Spain ones. He's got a mountain up there, which has a ski lift and women skiers. He's got animals up here. He's got more skiers going up. You can see them, those little dots. Snowmobiles. And there's been a wreck over here. And there is a wreck with the car about to tip over. Another wreck over there. There's some campers over there. I've never seen them. And here's something cool about his mountain. He has Mount Rushmore. And here are his, here's his steam traction engine. 1929 Chevy 4-door. Donated. It's actually very cool. It's got a green interior.